What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Jasmy fam. I am back with another video. This is where we cover everything Jasmy. And you know, in these crypto spaces, you just gotta trust yourself, trust your conviction. I remember when I bought my first ledger and I opened up the ledger, even though ledger has FUD now, right? My first hardware wallet. I opened it up and I saw written. They have it like typed up on like a, you know, a nice like metallic piece of sheet of paper, and it literally marked trust yourself. And Jasmy fam, that's what you have to do, man, when it comes to this space. A lot of my opportunities where I could have made crazy gains in the space, I missed out on because I didn't trust myself long enough, right? I didn't have conviction long enough. I was super angsty. I was like, you know, that project is going crazy, that project is going crazy, that one, and then I got distracted left and right, you know, missing out on just letting the price action, letting the pumps come to me, just being patient and letting the pumps come to me. The market is super manipulated. The market makers manipulate so much. So people that are like getting super bored of Jasmy's price action, for example, they're gonna sell out, they're gonna forget the project, and then months later it's gonna explode, and they're gonna be like, dang, I should have never sold it. I literally had to train myself. Anytime I'm in a project, I will use fresh money. I will use fresh fiat before I go into a next project. I'm gonna hold the bag of the project that I have, and then I'll take fresh fiat to buy a next project. And that's how I have to, and that's how I'm training myself, so I don't miss out on one of my projects. I get out of all my bag out of one project to go in the next, and then I lose out on the project I sold out of, you know. And that's what happens all the time. We see stories like that all the time. If I only held, if I didn't sell, if I didn't get distracted by this or that, I would have did this. You know, I got my stories like that too. So that's what I see, for example, with the Jasmy chart, man. I really do see that. Jasmy fam, if you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up. We're aiming for bigger, if not as big as the XRP community with these videos. Let's get to 10,000 views on this one, man. And let's take a look. Let me give some shout outs to people that supported the previous video. Brian Riley, shout out to you, saying great info as always. Costa, thanks for the video. August will be good for Jasmy, and Binance Japan, Binance partnership in Japan to the moon. I'm telling you. Alma, when I get rich, first people will ask me what crypto I bought. I will say the Bitcoin of Japan, Jasmy. Yeah, tell them, Alma. Thora, great news. I expect a slow pump upwards. Patience. Cash, another rockin' Jasmy video. Thanks so much, guys. AZ Marine Sniper, you know, we got the money bags, we got our bags packed, we got the bags packed. Safer, Jasmy, sleeping giant indeed. I'm telling you guys, this is how the price action is, right? Where I had a nice bag of a great AI project, had a nice bag, man, and you know, when I bought it like a certain time frame, the price action was super slow, nothing going on for it. I was bored out of my mind, like, why is this thing not pumping? Why is this thing not going up in price when other projects were going up in price left and right? All I had to do was just chill, man. And you know when it started to go crazy? 6 months later. 6 months later is all it took. Boom, easy 6 figures made, done. 6 months, 6 figures, you know. That's why I say, guys, I see the same thing with the Jasmy price action. Excuse me. I see the same thing with the Jasmy price action. It's gonna be sideways, good news, all these things, and then eventually there's gonna be a moment, boom, huge explosion. Everybody that sold out too early, they're gonna be crying. The people that stayed holding throughout the boring price action are rewarded. That's just how it goes, man. Joey Rodriguez, shout out to you. Yo, bro, remember this guy, Jeremy, who told everyone to buy Bitcoin for $1. Jasmy is the same as Bitcoin in a way. People is going to miss the boat. In 2035, people will be rich. Facts. Jeremy said in 2013, get into Bitcoin. Just think of it. I remember him. He talked about Bitcoin early. Let everyone know, but no one listened, man. Some people did, and the people that did, they made it. Feel Good Green, rocket ships. Glenn Butler, thousands not millions. Come on, man. Hey, shout out to you, Glenn Butler. No worries. Marcel, you're not able to buy Jasmy in Japan. Only can trade, aka not for spot. Do your research. This coin is a scam coin. You know, Marcel, I gotta say, man, I applaud the effort. I applaud you for being so consistent. I'm just you know, leave him be, right? You know, I'm gonna leave him be. We'll see what happens in the future, right? We'll see what happens. From Icy Amphibian, coming soon, Jasmy ambassadors. The Jasmy community has been resilient throughout this bear market, and we grow stronger every time we know what we hold. Hara, the new Jasmy ambassador program will be announced soon as the new framework for the program is finalized. We're working on a plan to interact more directly with the community, to build business and partnerships, and to promote the token economy. I know the ambassador program is more like community thing, but you know, if you could, you know, throw in, you know, you earn Jasmy from the ambassador program, I might just have to apply, man. We'll see the details of that, man, because if I could earn some more Jasmy, I'll be happy for that. Team Lambo, Jasmy on initial tokens to be listed on Binance Japan. Let's go. Reported by Blake Berry Hill. Team Lambo bullish on Jasmy. Mutant Ape Yacht Club profile picture. You know how it goes. 26k followers on Twitter. You know. And you see that, man. We already went into, you know, we deep dive this one, man. That is, if you weren't bullish before that, I think that's a good reason to be bullish, man. Only 34 assets, and Jasmy is one of the 34. Okay, that is amazing. Okay, you can't say that's not amazing. Even if you hate on Jasmy, you can't say that's not amazing, man. Neo Xtrix, this confirms what I've been thinking from the beginning. If the offer is in good faith, I found this on a Japanese site that I'm translating. Jasmy is indeed a national project. What the heck? Neo Xtrix going crazy. Everybody give this man a follow, man. Give 259 followers. Give this man a follow. Jasmy as Japan's national blockchain what? Jasmy as Japan's national blockchain project has become the most popular and interesting concept project in the Japanese market, and its hidden potential is gradually emerging in 2023. Jasmy, Japan's national man, what? Where's this note from? Neo Xtrix. What? That is so bullish. That is insane. The Jasmy movement. Thank you, Hara, for always providing continued updates for the Jasmy community. Thank you for the release from Apex. Let's build a good product. And we already know about the security part, the passwords authentication system that Jasmy has developed or is in development of. We got more. Excuse me. We recently just got more clarity on that, so this is absolutely great, right? I don't understand a lick of this. I don't understand none of this, but you know, we see more partnerships arising. We see more stuff being developed. Shout out to Hara, man. Baby Angel showing love to other Jasmy content creators. This is from Run My Crypto. Shout out to Run My Crypto. Go support other Jasmy creators, guys. I'm telling you, we gotta be as big as the XRP community. You see, he covering XRP, right? He covering XRP, but guess what? We gonna make the Jasmy videos go stupendous. You know, every Jasmy content creator on Twitter, TikTok, any social media platform is gonna be huge. That's what we aiming for, man. Just like the XRP community. Hara, nice to meet you, Coinstore users. Jasmy plans to aggressively expand into Southeast Asia this year, especially the Indonesian region. Okay, Indonesian region, and has already began rolling out our original product, blockchain PC. We have entered into these partnerships as a part of this effort. We also plan to exhibit at conferences and expos in the area. Please take this opportunity to touch Jasmy. Wow, okay. Jasmy Inc. is a company that develops and provides IoT platforms. All things are connected, internet, Society 5.0, smart cities, clothing, food, housing, movement, which are closely connected to people's lives, will change dramatically, making it easy and safe with a peace of mind. Nowadays, important data generated from their daily lives tends to be held by a limited number of companies. We see TikTok and all these other alphabet profiting off our data. That's where Jasmy steps in to decentralize that and help individual investors like ourselves, individual persons, secure and use and earn from our data, right? Jasmy will use these IoT to provide the best IoT platforms with its telecommunication devices, etc. And we see new listing for Jasmy coming soon from Coinstore.com. 108k followers. The best exchange in Asia and global preferred crypto exchange for secure and easy trading. Jasmy is expanding consistently. So the best exchange in Asia and global preferred crypto exchange, Coinstore, will be listing Jasmy soon. Awesome stuff, man. That is so bullish. That is so bullish. That is extremely bullish, man. The more listens, the better, I gotta say. Okay, we already covered this. My apologies. And from 279, we got a nice little write-up. Just skim through it, you know. The hidden objective of Japan, the impact of Jasmy on Society 5.0. I would like to explore the decline in birth rate in Japan. Japan's birth rate has been decreasing. Wow. And the creation of Society 5.0 aims to improve work-life balance, allowing citizens more time for family and raising children. I believe that Jasmy's platform, along with their remote work product, could potentially increase the chances of conception when men and women spend time together. Jasmy Secure PC aligns seamlessly with Japan's forward-thinking concept of Society 5.0, with advanced technologies like AI, IoT, big data to address challenges like an aging population and low birth rate. In this ambitious initiative, the Secure PC plays a crucial role in liberating both men and women from traditional work settings. Now, the growth rate is declining, the birth rate is declining all over the world, man. And that's actually not good, man. So this is why I say people look at crypto outside of crypto. People look at crypto as a scam. But there is technology being developed that could literally help humanity as we know it, so things could be better. If you take a look at the financial system, a lot of people aren't having kids because they can't afford to have kids, right? It's super tough in this day and age financially for everyone. It wasn't like that back then. The dollar was so much stronger back then. Now, you know, it's super difficult, right? I can see where 279 is getting with this, to help like society, the economy as we know it in Japan, not just in Japan though, around the world, right? And hopefully we get back to, you know, a more financially stable society for everyone, right? With these new technologies being developed, remote work through the Jasmy protocols, right? In this ambitious initiative, crucial role in by promoting remote work home arrangements, this innovative technology empowers individuals to have fulfilling careers while prioritizing daily lives and commitments. Automating labor tasks with AI robots provides more free time, with Japan hoping citizens will use it to focus on starting families. By embracing Society 5.0 and using the secure PCs, Japan aims to balance technology and people's well-being, addressing demographic challenges and creating an inclusive, sustainable society that supports families and personal growth. The combination of Jasmy Secure PC and Japan's Society 5.0 presents a positive vision for the future, where technology benefits individuals and society as a whole. Japan's efforts to create harmonious and thriving society with easier conception and stronger families become an example for the rest of the world. That is a great point, man. This is what I like to see. This is what I like to see from crypto, from blockchain, from, you know, smart contracts, these things that are being developed. This is the good side of things, right? Not just obviously we are here to make, you know, gains. We are here to make money, but I would love to see the world being the world changing for the better compared to how it is now, in my opinion, right? And with Society 5.0, it would establish a better environment, promote family life in Japan. These are just my personal thoughts on the matter. You got a good point with it, 279. You got a great point with it, right? Oh man, look at this. Oh, that's beautiful. Ah man, we're gonna end the video on that note, right? And this is how Jasmy could also help with you know, the Japanese ecosystem, the Japanese environment, man. So we're gonna end the video on that note right there. Shout out to 279 for that. Always got amazing threads that he puts together. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, follow every account, guys. Follow each Jasmy account, follow each other, blow up the Twitter, blow Twitter up, blow up X. Make X and Jasmy trend. Make Jasmy trend on X, trend on Twitter, guys. If you enjoyed the video, again, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 10,000 views, Jasmy fam. I truly appreciate the support. I really do. Words can't express it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.